How to fix could not delete Tinder account. Trying to delete your Tinder account but keep getting the could not delete error. Whether you are moving on from Tinder or just want a fresh start, I will show you why this happens and how to fix it. So let's get started. Before we fix it, let's look at why Tinder won't let you delete your account. Tinder server issues. If Tinder is down, deletion might not work. Poor internet connection. A weak Wi-Fi or mobile data signal can stop the process. App glitch or bug. Sometimes Tinder system fails to process the request. Linked subscription. If you have an active Tinder Gold or Plus subscription, you might need to cancel it first. Login issues. If your account is restricted, banned or partially logged out, Tinder may prevent deletion. Now let's get over the fixes to delete your Tinder account properly. Number 1 step is to restart the Tinder app. For that, remove the Tinder app. Swipe up just like this and remove it just like this. And after that, simply reopen it. Next step is to check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Restart your router or move to a better signal area. Next step is to cancel your Tinder subscription. If you have Tinder Gold Plus or Platinum, first cancel the subscription. And the final step is to clear cache of the Tinder app. For that, go to settings just like this. Then scroll down and tap onto general right here. Then tap onto iPhone storage. Then find the Tinder app. Now scroll down and locate it. After you find it, tap on it. And to clear the cache, tap on to offload app right here. Now tap on it. After offloading the app, simply reinstall the Tinder app. After offloading the app, the cache of the Tinder app will be deleted. And that's it. Now you should be able to delete your Tinder account without any issues. Let me know in the comments if this worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.